There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Dodge Durango GT in Octane Red Pearl. With HID headlamps, projector fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, black roof rails, dual rear exhaust with bright tips, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 15,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, Beats premium audio system, selectable steering modes, heated rear seats, power sunroof, third row seating, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6187A.